How to find Spotify Wrapped in 2025. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find all of your favorite music and also how to fix the issue where the Spotify Wrapped is not showing up on your device. Now, the first thing we need to do is go and load up an internet browser. In the search box, type in Spotify Wrapped and then press enter. You can then click on this top website, which is 2025 Wrapped, and click on open to go and link Spotify. Now, if it doesn't work the first time clicking this link, then you'll just need to go back over to your internet browser and you'll need to click on the link again and go and open up Spotify. And it should take you to this page here where you can click on open the app. Now, once you've opened up Spotify, this should take you over to your 2025 summary. Now, if it doesn't work for you or you're getting some kind of error, I'm going to show you how to fix this as well. So what you'll need to do is close out of Spotify and then come over to your iPhone home screen. You're then just going to hold down your finger on the Spotify app and click on Remove App and press Delete App. You can then press the delete button. Now, once you've done this, you'll need to head over to the App Store. Using the search box, go and type in Spotify and then press search, and then go in re-download Spotify to your device. Once it's finished downloading, you'll just need to go and open up Spotify. Now, once you've opened up Spotify, just make sure to allow all of these notifications and click on continue. And once you've opened back up the app, it may pop up with a window with your 2025 Wrapped summary. If you don't see this, you can open back up the internet browser. You're then just going to click on the 2025 Wrapped link once again and click on open in the app. Now, if it's still not working, the final solution is to head back over to Spotify, click on your profile icon in the top left-hand side, and then go and click on your profile name in the bottom navigation. Once you're signed into your account, you can head back over to the internet browser. You can then click on this link for one final time, and that should now open up your 2025 summary. You can then scroll through the pages and you can go and click on the summary at the end, and you can go and share your 2025 summary to your other social media pages.